That critical glitch you missed? Your LCD display hid it. When you're analyzing complex waveforms on traditional LCD oscilloscopes, motion blur and poor contrast can mask critical signal details that could make or break your project. OLED technology is revolutionizing oscilloscope displays with true blacks and infinite contrast ratios. Unlike LCD screens, OLED provides zero motion blur, making fast transients crystal clear. Wide viewing angles mean accurate readings from any position during long bench sessions. At LTS, our OLED's displays deliver industrial-grade reliability with customizable touch options specifically engineered for demanding test environments. When signal integrity matters, OLED doesn't just show you more, it shows you everything your LCD has been hiding.